Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money with Standard Bank without app, guys. Very easy tutorial. So first, you need to dial this USDD call on your phone on the dial pad. Okay, star 120 star 2345 hash, and then you press call to basically access a Standard Bank's mobile banking menu, and then you log in with your PIN. Okay, enter your mobile banking PIN where you're prompted. This gives you access to your account in a secure way. Then you want choose send money or transfer from this menu. Okay, so you do send money if you want to send cash to someone using their number, or transfers to move money between your accounts. Then you enter the transfer details. You type in the recipient's phone number or the account number, depending on the option, and then you enter the amount you want to go ahead and send, review all the information, and then you just go ahead and enter your PIN again to confirm and complete this transfer. And it's really that easy and simple. Subscribe and smash the like button for smart solutions.